Yes, guys, check it out. Yeah, man. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah, man. Just please remember, guys, just continue to support my YouTube channel. Means the world to me, alright? Yeah, man. So, today, guys, I'm cooking some Pacific whitening fish, alright? Yeah, man. This fish is a very, natured fish. Yeah, this type of fish makes baby. Alright? Yeah, man. No joke about it, guys. It's called whitening. The Pacific whitening fish. Alright? So, this fish was caught in the deep ocean. Alright? Yeah, man. So, I have it washed, guys, with some vinegar and then I rinse it off with some fresh water. Alright? So, I'm gonna season this fish and let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm gonna cook it in a curry flavored style with chickpeas, broad bean, and butter bean. Three combination style. Alright? Curry fish. Yeah, man, that is it. And I'm cooking it with some natural white rice. That is it. Alright? So just stay tuned, guys. So I have my fish, remember, is washed, clean, prepared. Alright? So I have some thyme and sprinkle my thyme all over the fish. Yeah, man. And I have some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah. Make sure I put the seasoning all over, guys. Yeah. Try to make every slice of fish get seasoned. Alright. Yeah, man, that is it. And I have my Old Bay seasoning. Alright. Some Old Bay. Add some Old Bay. Black pepper, so black pepper, Old Bay, and all-purpose. That is a Caribbean all-purpose. Yeah, I love to cook with my Old Bay seasoning, guys. It's a very effective seasoning, gives the food good flavor. Right? Yeah, man. That is it. And I'm gonna add a little sea salt, just a pinch of sea salt. Yeah, that is it, man. So just stay tuned, guys. See, I have my fish all seasoned. Yeah, yeah, man, that is it. Alright, guys, so I'm preparing my garden seasoning. So I'm peeling Irish potato. Yeah, and I have my purple onion, scallion, thyme, my garlic, and my habanero hot pepper. Alright, yeah, man, that is it, guys. So just stay tuned and watch what's going on. Alright, yeah, man. Any question, guys, be free to ask. Alright, yeah, man, that's what I'm here for. Alright, so I have all these garden seasoning and my Irish potato and my carrot well prepared. Alright, that is it. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna wash all these seasonings. Make sure I wash them properly. Yeah. That one. So I don't prepare all the seasoning, guys. So cut up my Irish potato, guys. So I sliced the Irish potato in 2 different sizes. Alright, so half of the Irish potato will be sliced in normal thickness and the rest I slice it very thin. So in order to give the sauce a little body, that's what I do. I slice the Irish potato real thin so it cook and melt and thicken the sauce, the curry sauce. Alright, we call it gravy. In Jamaica we would say gravy. So that is it. So because you want it to melt, guys, and thicken thicken the sauce, you just cut it real thin so it easily cook and melt it. Alright? So here I have my purple onion. My hot pepper. Cut up my scallion. That is it, guys. And I have some cucumber. Alright, so I cut up my cucumber, dice them real thin. I'm gonna add it to my fish, guys. Alright. Alright, so I have everything here, so I'm just gonna mix it in together. Everything combined in one. Alright. That is it, guys. So yeah. Alright, so in the meantime, I'm gonna get the pot ready, get the stove going. Check, check, check. Alright guys, you know the rules of the kitchen is clean as you go, alright? Yeah man. Make sure your environment is clean, guys, as you're cooking food, alright? Yeah man, that is it, man. Alright, so I have my pot going. Cover my fish, guys. I have some mushrooms. Yeah. Alright guys, so make sure everything is washed, you know. Everything is washed properly. So I'm just gonna spread the mushroom on top. Alright, so I'm just gonna sprinkle a little more all-purpose on the mushrooms right on top. Yeah man, that is it. Add a little more Old Bay. Don't know the thing go, guys. Yeah man, that is it, you know. Alright, so I have my pot here getting hot. Alright, pour some vegetable oil in the pot and let it get heated. Add a little virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil, guys, it's good for the seafood. Gives it a really good flavor, you know. Alright guys, so I'm preparing my garlic. You know, when you crush the garlic, it's real easy, you know. That is it. So make sure, guys, burn the curry with the garlic, you know. Yeah, man. You see what's going on, guys. So it's a original turmeric. Yeah? Yeah, man. Add a little more garlic, guys. Yeah. I love to cook with garlic, you know. Garlic is very effective when it comes to cooking. It gives your food a really good flavor. Alright, so burning the curry, you know. When I said burn the curry, I don't mean burn it black, you know. Once the garlic start turning golden brown, guys, I'm gonna add my fish to it. Alright? As you can see, guys, yeah, that is it. So I don't put the curry on my meat or my fish, guys. I just put the curry in the oil with the garlic, yeah man, and burn the curry. Alright? That is it. So I'm gonna add my fish with all my season and my mushroom. Yeah? Yeah man, that is it, guys. Alright guys, so you just give this a gentle stir it really slow and gentle. Alright? Now you don't want the fish is very tender, you don't want it to mush. Alright? Yeah man. Wow guys. It smells so good. Yeah man. You know, just rinse off that with all the seasoning in it. Good stuff, you don't want it to waste, guys, so that is it, you know. Alright guys, so fish is simmering down. So first, you know, the chickpeas, guys, is a little hard, so I'm gonna apply my chickpeas first. Apply the chickpeas to the fish first before the butter bean. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna pour the water off the chickpeas. Just gonna pour this in the fish, alright? Cover that and let it steam, let it cook. Alright guys, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna get my rice going. Alright. washing the rice, guys. Sure I wash it properly, you know. Yeah man, that is it. So just stay tuned guys and just keep supporting my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. So remember guys, I'm cooking curry Pacific whitening fish, alright? Along combination of chickpeas, broad bean and butter bean. Alright? Lots of mushroom and cucumber, onion, scallion, garlic, habanero, hot pepper. That is it. Yeah man, so just stay tuned guys, catch it free and watch what's popping, you know? Yeah man, this is going great guys, going great. Yeah man. So I'm just gonna gauge the stove, turn it down a little and let it cook slowly, alright? Yeah man. So it's on 5. So 5 is like medium, you know? Check, check, check. Alright guys, so I have the rice here going. Yeah. And so I have this 5 minutes cooking the chickpeas. So now I'm gonna add my butter bean, alright? There you go. And it's the same procedure guys. So you pour off the water. Make sure you pour off the water off the bean. Alright. Just gonna add a little water guys, so cook to perfection, alright? Alright guys, so I have the rice going. Add a little olive oil so the grain, you know, loosen the grain, they don't stick together. Make it really shelly and also gives it a good flavor. Just a little olive oil guys, that's good enough. Yeah. So I have my white rice going. That is it. Alright, so I have everything in the fish right now. I have the baked bean, the butter bean, and the chickpeas. Alright, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so everything is going great. Fish is about ready. Yeah, that is it. Up and running, you know. Don't know the thing go guys. Have my rice here, just simmering down. Yeah, nice and shelly guys, as you can see. Grain is not even sticking to the fork. Yeah, that's how you know the rice is really shelly, you know. And when it comes to cooking rice shelly guys, yeah man, I'm the pro. You just have to know the right amount of water guys. Yeah, and know how to gauge your stove, you know. Yeah man. So rice is just about steaming it, not cooking it, yeah. So you don't want too much heavy fire. Normal, once it start boiling up, the pot start to boiling up and you stir it, that is it. You can just turn down your flame and just let it just steam. Alright? So just stay tuned guys to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Just continue to support my channel guys. Respect to the world. Yeah man. Alright guys, as you can see about now, yeah man, food is ready. See you guys. Give you a close look on what's popping. See how shelly the rice is and nice and shelly. Yeah man, that is it guys. Right amount of everything, you know. Right size pot to the right amount of rice, right amount of fire, yeah, right timing, everything is right guys, the taste is right, everything is right, yeah, that is it. Give you a close look on the curry over here guys. Yeah man, that is it. That's what's popping guys. Yeah man, so big up on yourself guys for supporting my YouTube channel Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Just continue guys to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah man, that is it. So guys, remember it's white rice with Pacific whitening fish, a combination of chickpeas, baked bean, butter bean. Alright, not baked bean guys, sorry, broad bean, butter bean and chickpeas in a combination with the curry whitening fish. Alright, that is it. Yeah man, so respect guys, much love, thank you all, much respect, that is it.